Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the YouTube Copyright Match tool. The Copyright Match tool can automatically identify videos that are matches or identifies re-uploaded videos to other channels. Once a match has been identified, you can review it in YouTube Notification or YouTube Studio. Then you choose which action you'd like to take. So, let's see how to enable, access and use Copyright Match tool. Go to YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select Copyright. If you are not active in your channel yet, you will be in this page. Click Agree and Continue. And then click the Matches tab. In my case, the Copyright Match tool identified one video matches. It's the title video. Total views of video. Date that re-uploaded. And channel name. It matches 80% of video. It's the channel that used my video. Check the box next to the video you want to take action on. Choose an action to take. Contact channel, which allows you to initiate a conversation with the channel owner. Write your email address and go send. Request video removal, which allows you to submit a legal request for videos to be taken down. You need to complete all data that asked in, and then you can submit. Move to Archive, which allows you to archive the match if there is no action required. Before you review your matches, keep in mind that just because YouTube Match tool found a matching video doesn't mean it's infringing on your copyright. It's your responsibility to review each matching video and consider whether fair use, fair dealing, or a similar exception to copyright applies. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and comment. See you on next video.